Today's going to be a video to tell the difference between a Bulgarian M51 and a Italian M33. I'm not really going to go into depth about the different colors of liner and the different types of air vents of wartime and post-war, but I might touch on it a little bit, but I'm not going to go on very into depth on it. So, on the left we have a Bulgarian M51. The middle we have an Italian M33, and on the right we have another Bulgarian M51. So the main, what I find that helps me is I see a size difference, and the Italian M33s have serial numbers, and I've seen no Bulgarian M51s that have serial numbers or seen any pictures, but pretty much all Italian M33s will have a serial number, unless it's been rubbed off or something like that. As you can see, this one has a serial number. This is Italian M53, B230 for an Italian M53. And then another way you can tell is, and then as you can see in the Bulgarian M51, there is no codes or nothing on the shell, as you can see. And then I'll show you on the other Bulgarian to prove my point. No shell stamps or marks on the shell. So that's one difference you can tell. And then the size difference I find helps too. You can see this the best when it's on my helmet shelf, so I will do that right now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Because I don't know if you can really see it with the camera, but I'm going to put it on my helmet shelf, and you should be able to tell. There's a size difference. As you can see, the Italian M33 is a little bit bigger than the Bulgarian M51. As you can see, just a little bit bigger. So the Italian M33 is a little bit taller than the Bulgarian M51, I find. You can kind of see it a bit. And then another way you can tell is I find that the Italian M33s, just a second, I get the Bulgarian down. So another way I find is that the Italian M33s weigh a heck of a lot more than the Bulgarian M51s do. The Bulgarian M51 I find is a really, really light helmet. Similar to the Spanish helmet if you want to compare it to helmet and weight, but the the Italian M33, it's pretty heavy and doesn't make as much of a ding sound as a Bulgarian M51. But this one has more of a high pitch because I think it's made of thinner steel, I find, because it's a heck of a lot lighter than the Italian M33. Then another way we can tell is the liners. So let me get this other Bulgarian M51 here. So here we have Italian M33 liner. This is the wartime liner. The Italian M33 liners after the war look something like this color or this color, but they usually they don't have stampings like the Bulgarian M51 liners do, like these M51s here. They all have stampings, but the Italian M33 liners, their stamping numbers are hole punched in, it looks like, or stitched with a Z at the back. And then the chin straps too, this is the post-war canvas chin strap. The Italian, like the World War II chin straps, were black leather chin straps, not like this, but the Italian ones were a dark black, almost black leather. I believe this one has the wrong chin strap though. Yeah, so I hope. Oh yes, and then air vents. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is just how I see it. I don't know if anybody sees it different, or if there's any difference, or if anybody thinks it's the same. But it's just how I see it. Find that the M33 air vents are like the hole is smaller on the M33 air vent than the Bulgarian M51 air vent.